What is going on, YouTube? Going to do a quick unboxing here of my Shoei X15 Marquez Motegi edition. Can't wait for it. Stay tuned. So here is the Shoei X15. I've been needing a new helmet for a while, so when I saw this colorway, I kind of fell in love with it. It comes here with the pin lock, which I'm going to be installing on a different visor. Here's the helmet. Put it aside for now. Show you here, it does come with a little booklet with your chin strap and whatnot, a couple stickers. It's nice to have. Get the box out of the way, and here is the helmet. Let's open her up. Oh yeah, that is a beautiful helmet. I've been in dire need of an upgrade. I had a Shoei Neotech, the first one. I've had it for almost 10 years now. And like I said, when this colorway came out, it matches my bike perfectly and it just looks sweet. Super happy about it. Can't wait to use it. There it is. Also got the Spectra Silver or Chrome mirror visor. It's gonna look really good. Can't wait to install that as well. And yeah, please like, comment, subscribe. If you got any questions about the helmet, shoot them in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys want to see. Can't wait to use this thing. Take it easy.